Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you top 5 settings to double your battery health on your iPhone 17. At first, open here the settings. Let me guide you very quickly. The first thing, battery, now charging over here. Make sure that optimized battery charging is enabled or charging limit is set to 80 to 90%. This option will automatically charge your iPhone when you just need it, not 100% and hold it on 100%. And this will just do for you the charge limit, and you won't just use the whole battery. This is the first setting. The second setting is when you go to the power mode, enable adaptive power over here. This will make your performance worse in terms for the battery. Go back and go back. Display and brightness. Third thing, here liquid glass, make sure that it's set to tinted. It will be better for your battery. Now go back and scroll down. Here we do have auto lock. Tap it and from never set the lowest value that you just can and you are comfortable with. For me, it's 1 minute, but the lower the value, the better it's your battery. And here on display, disable it. And as a bonus, the sixth setting is that when you go here, accessibility, scroll down to the motion, scroll all the way down to the limit frame rate, and make sure that this is enabled. This will limit your iPhone to 60 Hz, but it's just very, very nice for your battery. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.